Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Meenah Tariq and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School of Campus Islamabad. So today, as you know, I'm doing my TEDx Talk. So let's start. And good morning, everyone. Once again, today I would like to share some key lessons from the TEDx Talk, and the topic is how to invest in yourselves by Meenah Tariq. So the main message of the talk is that most valuable investments we can make is in ourselves. While many people think of investigating as putting money into business or assets, Meenah Tariq explains that investing in our knowledge, skills, and personal growth can bring the greatest rewards. So she also encourages us to learn continuously, explore new ideas, and take chances even when we feel uncertain. So every book we read, every skill we learn, and every challenge we overcome helps us become more stronger and more capable. So another important lesson is to believe in our potential. Success does not happen overnight, and that's it. You know that. So it requires patience, hard work, and the courage to step outside our comfort zone. So when we invest time and effort in improving ourselves, we create opportunities for a better future. So this talk reminds us that growth begins when we are willing to learn and take action. No matter our age or background, we can always improve ourselves and work toward our goals. So viewers, thank you so much. Hope so you like my TEDx talk. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.